Welcome to another lesson from Dominic Fike's new album, What Could Possibly Go Wrong. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Why. So as always, if this video helps you, please hit the like button. It helps my channel more than you know. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. I'll be happy to answer them. And subscribe for more lessons from this artist. Enjoy. So this entire song is made up of 6 chords, the first of which is an F sharp major chord. So you're going to bar the 2nd fret with your pointer finger. You're going to place your ring finger on the 4th fret of the A string, your pinky finger on the 4th fret of the D string, and your middle finger on the 3rd fret of the G string. Next is a B major chord, so you're going to bar the 2nd fret from the A string with your pointer finger, and you're also going to bar the D, G, and B string on the 4th fret. Next is another F sharp major chord, so you're just going to take the B major chord and slide it up to the 9th fret. Then you're going to move your pointer finger down 1 fret and leave the bar in place. Then we're going to go to a D sharp minor chord. So you're going to bar the 6th fret from the A string with your pointer finger. You're going to place your ring finger on the 8th fret of the D string, your pinky finger on the 8th fret of the G string, and your middle finger on the 7th fret of the B string. Next is an A sharp minor chord. So you're going to bar the 6th fret with your pointer finger. You're going to place your ring finger on the 8th fret of the A string and your pinky finger on the 8th fret of the D string. Next is a G sharp minor chord. So you're going to take the A sharp minor chord and move it down 2 frets. And then on this chord, after strumming it 5 times, you're going to place your middle finger on the 6th fret of the low E string. And then you're going to lift it off. And then we're going to go back to an F sharp major chord. And all put together, it sounds like this. And that's it for Why. Like I mentioned, if this video helped you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. And subscribe for more lessons from this artist. Thanks.